Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be covering the DeWalt 3200 PSI petrol water blaster. So this is the SH Series. It has a 6.5 horsepower engine. So this is a fantastic machine. It's been a workhorse for us. We've used it on a lot of projects. And some of the modifications and improvements that I've done, I'll go through with you now and show you what those are. So starting off with the hose pipe, the original DeWalt comes with a connection like this. So one goes to the machine and one goes to the gun. They both look the same. So on the pump and on the gun, you have a fitting like this, and this goes here. You push it in and you screw it on. So this has been upgraded by me. So I've got rid of the old pipe simply because I wanted the quick connection fitting. So in order to make this quick fitting work, you'll need an adapter like this. You can buy this for a few dollars online. The link will be in the description down below. So basically this has the same connection as the hose pipe I just showed you. So you basically screw this on here. And it comes with the brass fitting here, which is a quick connect. So you just put that on here and it's connected. So with this new setup with the hose pipe, it gives you flexibility on making your hose pipe longer within a few clicks. I'll demonstrate it here. So this is the gun. This is the new gun. So it connects like that. And this gun is not that expensive. You can get it online. Again, the link will be in the description down below for a product like this or similar. So basically this is a 15-meter hose. You get it in 20 and 30 meters as well. An advantage with this is from 15-meter hose, connect this up, and now I have a 30-meter hose. And bear in mind the pressure drops a little bit when you extend it further. So in case you can't reach something, you can always extend it, but if you want more pressure, just remove it like so with a quick connect, and then just connect your gun back up to the 15-meter hose and you've got extra pressure. So one advantage is when you buy this sort of gun, the pricing is not as much as the original DeWalt, and it is as good as quality, if not better. And you can adjust the length. You can remove this part or you can remove this part and just connect your nozzle onto this part of the gun. So you can shorten the gun for a tight spot reaching under the car or similar, or you can extend it fully when you're doing a house. And this gun also connects quickly to any of these surface cleaners, like so. So the links to all these products I just showed you, the gun, the pipe, and the surface cleaners, will be found in the link down below of this video, or in the comment section down below. Now I'll start up the machine and show you the attachments in action. This is also another accessory that I bought. It's to clean the underneath of a car, trailer, camper van, or four-wheel drive. It attaches again to this gun and it allows you to blast the underbody of your vehicle. It's like this, and I'll show you it working in this video. So to get this machine started, you need to open up the water supply and then press the trigger and bleed out the air before you start the machine. Once the flow is constant and you see no air bubbles coming out of here, you can start the machine up. So on these petrol water blasters, to start it, you have to have the lever depressed like this so the water flows, and then you pull start the engine. So make sure your kill switch is on the on position. Put the choke on start. Make sure the fuel is on. So once you're finished water blasting, one tip I can give you is to prolong the carburetor and so it doesn't get clogged, is to turn off the fuel now and use the fuel in the carburetor till the motor shuts off by itself. So I'll turn off the fuel now and show you what I mean. So now that I've shut off the fuel, you'll still have about 1 or 2 minutes left of fuel in the carburetor, and when it switches off by itself, that means the carburetor fuel has vaporized and there's no fuel left in the carburetor. So that's a good way of storing your water blaster once you're finished with it. So as you heard there, I turned off the fuel and just kept on using the machine till it switched off like that. So now that tells me there's no fuel in the carburetor, and that's usually how I store the machine, so your carburetor ball doesn't get clogged up with old gunky fuel. So as you saw there, this machine is an absolute workhorse for the price you pay for it. It's very good value for money. The only things you got to maintain on this is changing the engine oil, and also don't forget to check the engine oil before every use. So as you saw in the video, these surface cleaners do an absolute great job of cleaning concrete really quick, and it's worth the investment. If you have one of these petrol water blasters, it's worth the investment in buying one of these concrete cleaners. You can clean your whole concrete driveway or patio within a couple of hours, if not less than that. So everything I've showed you today, you can find the links in the description down below. Don't forget to check those out, and in the comment section down below. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be showing you how to service this sort of a machine, which is the same concept for any petrol water blaster on the market today. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.